farmer has 48 milking cows and decides to share them with his 3 children, Abby, Ben and Carol, in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 7. How many cows does each child receive? So the total parts is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 7, because it's in the ratio of 2 to 3 to 7. That makes 12 parts altogether. Now we have to find out what one part is worth. So one part will be 48, because there's 48 milking cows altogether, divided by 12. 48 divided by 12 means that 4 cows. So one part is worth 4 cows. Now Abby receives 2 parts, so that's going to be 2 times 4, which is 8 cows. Ben receives 3 parts, so it's going to be 3 times 4, which is 12 cows. And and Carol receives 7 parts, so it's going to be 7 times 4, which is 28. So Abby gets 8 cows, Ben receives 12 cows, Carol receives 28 cows, and a little check, 8 plus 12 plus 28 does make 48 cows that we had to begin with. So this has been a video about sharing in a given ratio. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.